Hello everyone. So basically, this project is about storing dreams on the blockchain network. So the name is Mind Mosaic, and this merges AI, blockchain, and decentralized storage to create a living archive of a dream. So this basic UI here, there's an option to connect wallet. The MetaMask wallet will be connected to this front end, and then here you can record your dream and then you will put tags and then we'll send it to the servers. So basically there are shared dreams of people who have recently posted. They have been categorized into different genres by the AI coding, and this genres can help readers to select whatsoever category they like. So let's do a sample. So let's type like a funny dream. Okay, and let's put tag as funny. So this tag helps the AI model to recognize the categories of these dreams. So we hit the share dream button. So basically what will happen now is this dream is going to go on the IPFS server. Why did we choose IPFS? Because we can store large amounts of data in it, and then from those IPFS we're going to derive the CIDs. Those CIDs are going to be stored on the blockchain for the proof of concept purposes. After that, Python code will fetch the CID from the blockchain and fetch the original dreams from these CIDs. The AI code will then analyze the dreams and allot tags to these dreams. So let's refresh. Our, it takes a while to load. So let's look into the funny dreams. It must be there. Oh yeah, it's finally here. A funny dream. So it's a great interactive website for people where they can read about other people's thoughts, and this can be used for the research purposes for understanding about psychology and the thinking power of people. So this has immense uses in the future. Thank you for now.